Hello, chess enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into some crucial chess rules and tactics that every player needs to master. We'll be talking about pawn promotion, castling, and passant, three chess moves that can significantly impact the outcome of your game. So, let's jump right in. First up, pawn promotion. It's a thrilling moment when your pawn reaches the opposite end of the board. When this happens, you have the exciting opportunity to promote that pawn to any other piece, a queen, knight, rook, or bishop. It cannot stay a pawn, and it cannot become a king. This promotion can turn the tide of the game and elevate your strategy. Pawn promotion usually leads to the coronation of a new queen, a powerful piece that can change the course of the game. But remember, the choice of promotion depends on the specific position and strategy. In this position, what is White's best move? In this position, White can promote the pawn to a knight and deliver checkmate. Knight protects the rook and the king does not have safe square to escape. Now, let's talk about castling. This special move allows you to safeguard your king while connecting your rooks. Castling is done by moving the king 2 squares towards a rook on your first rank, then moving that rook to the square the king crossed. There are some important rules to follow, such as not having any pieces in between the king and the rook, not moving through or into check, and the king and rook involved must not have moved previously. In this position, White cannot castle because the king can't go through a check or into a check. In this position, White cannot castle because the king is in check. To get out of check, the king has to move. Then the king loses the ability to castle. Castling is a strategic maneuver that can enhance your king's safety and bring your rooks into play. It's a move every chess player should have in their arsenal. Last but not least, enpassant. This is a somewhat less common but equally important rule. When your opponent moves a pawn 2 squares forward from its starting position and lands beside your pawn, you have the option to capture that pawn as if it had moved only 1 square forward. It's a tactical move that can catch your opponent off guard and lead to valuable piece captures. Enpassant adds a layer of complexity to pawn dynamics and can be a game changer in the right situation. Remember, it can only be used immediately after your opponent's double-step pawn move. So whether it's pawn promotion, castling, or enpassant, mastering these chess moves will take your game to the next level. They provide valuable tools in your strategic toolkit and can help you outmaneuver your opponent. If you found this exploration of pawn promotion, castling, and enpassant intriguing and educational, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating chess insights. Chess is a game of strategy, and these moves are your keys to success. Until next time, happy chess playing.